Ethereum is getting closer and closer for the big breakout. What do I mean by the big breakout? Well, this $2,150 level is just super critical. We can see it. It's a daily resistance. It's a weekly resistance. You can see on the long-term chart just how well respected this level is. And it pretty much separates previous bull market to the current bear market. Yes, current bear market. It's hard to say current bear market when from the start of the year we have actually been rallying nearly 150% Ethereum. Now, in this video, we are going to, of course, look at what's likely next for Ethereum on the short term. Very bullish, by the way, so keep tuned for that. We're, of course, going to look at the major levels and, most importantly, how Ethereum is actually responding from support now against Bitcoin. You can see that by going into the smaller time frames, we're now forming bullish formations and Ethereum looks to be gaining huge strength. For those of you that are subscribed to the channel, quick reminder, if you're not, hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss a video. You'll know that I have an Ethereum trade open, a small one at the moment, and it's kind of more of like a reminder, so I know it's there. It's a very small amount, albeit nearly 20% in profit. It's only $74. It's there to serve a reminder that when Ethereum breaks 2,150, it's time to go big. So let me tell you exactly what I believe is in store next over the next, well, let's just put it this way, towards the end of November and going into the last month of the year, December. Will we see the Santa rally like we have done in other years? Well, it's all up for debate. So first things first, I think it's crucial that we have a quick look at Bitcoin, see where it's at, and we can see, yeah, still bullish, still creating these higher lows, as you can see, and higher highs. We don't know how high this high is going to go, but what we can see for Bitcoin is we've crossed some major levels, and we don't really have any major resistance. I mean, we are at a resistance. Okay, so 38, 39,000 is a resistance level, but, if we use a fixed range volume profile, given the fact of all this traded volume, we know that to get into the next zone does take us anywhere between 40,000 and 47,000. And I believe 48,000 is a very realistic target for the next move. So with that said, with the Bitcoin price in check, with the short-term Bitcoin price coiling, with a price target, as you can see from the breakout, about $41,500 to $42,000, I believe it's safe to say Ethereum is acting bullish. Okay, so before we look at the actual USD Ethereum price, what Ethereum price is, you can see that Ethereum is doing well against Bitcoin. We broke out of this downtrend. So this is Ethereum priced in Bitcoin. Okay, you can see downtrend. It's coming into the breakout. We're Wing off this major support level, which you can see upway support. We're forming this formation and sideways formation as well. We also have a massive cup and handle pattern for Ethereum against Bitcoin. So as far as I can see, it looks great value to me to purchase Ethereum with Bitcoin. Does it make sense to buy Ethereum with USD or any fiat currency? Well, let's take a look together. So to update you, with the trade that I have, as I said, very, very small, I will be entering when the confirmation comes that 2,150 has been turned support. At the moment, 2,150 is resistance. Look, resistance, resistance. If we get above 2,150 and turn that into support, that's when I shift into a considerate long trade on Ethereum. That's when I'll go on BingX and extend my position. By the way, guys, if you do want to trade Ethereum, altcoins, Bitcoin, you can actually trade commodity stocks, things like Google, Apple as well with leverage. No KYC necessary. Link down below for BingX. Up to $5,000 bonus there, plus 50% off your trading fees. So let's talk about Ethereum and the Ethereum price. The first price target we have is the following. We need to do a price range, and this is obviously quite short term. We've got an 8.5% measured move here. What we're expecting in the short term is $2,150 to $2,200. I believe this impulse wave is not done. I believe we still have some room to the upside. But big warning, do not get trapped here because we really need to break this weekly level. Again, 2,150. I can't stress enough, $2,150 Ethereum is just crucial. We have to get above it, hold above it on the daily, see some volume, and then look at it on the weekly. Everything else is looking good, but we need to take that level before you go long in a considerable way. Now, you may actually be looking at this level as an opportunity to short, and there's nothing wrong with that. I am bullish and I believe this will break to the upside. However, the risk to reward for a short trade is fantastic, right? So let me show you what I mean. And I don't mean to be bearish. I actually believe we're going to break to the upside, but we, as traders, we should remain unbiased. And you can see with a short here, you only need a stop loss set at about 2,250. The target for me, if you are shorting this, could be just huge. I mean, the move to the downside, if it does get rejected here, could be big. I mean, the first major target would be down at $1,500 for a 25% move. And then if that doesn't hold, it could take us down to somewhere in the region of $1,100 again to create somewhat of a massive W. Don't think that will happen, but you only need to, you're getting a 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you want to risk $100 to make 600, you can do that. And of course, on BingX, where you can trade futures up to 150x leverage, well, using that link, you'll get your bonus $5,000 up to when you deposit $100. What you can then do is look at that trade, look at that percentage, which would be 43%. I mean, let's say you were 10x leverage. That's 430% gains with 70% potential loss. Of course, trading on with futures is for experienced traders only. If you want to learn more how to trade, you can check out any of my videos, but most particular video you should check out is my BingX, how to easily trade Bitcoin futures and crypto for beginners. And if you're into altcoins, guys, and AI, do check out this video I posted just 22 hours ago. How I made $31,000 profit in just 3 months using AI trading altcoins. And you can check out my Solana videos and my other Ethereum price predictions. Guys, if I provided value, please do share the video, like the video, have the bell turned on. We're on the road to 50,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you're already part of that community, thank you so much. If you're new, subscribe and join the family. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to check out any one of these videos on screen before we go. Have a great weekend and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.